don't hear my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. Hey beautifuls, and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorials. As you can see, this right here, I'm going to be showing you how I got this face right here. Natural look guys, perfect. I don't go big. This is what I got. So before we even get started with this video guys, make sure you like this video, like, subscribe guys, and also comment below of what you think of this look right here, and if I should continue to do videos like this. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much. So let's continue with the video. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so I already did my eyebrows off cameras and stuff like that. So right now guys, I'm gonna be going in with my night triangle pretty vulture eyeshadow palette right now, and I'm gonna be starting with this color, which is Scoop, for my crease. My next color is gonna be the Flip Out right here, and I'm just go over that one. And this guy is not that much, but and then guys, I'm gonna be going in this with hide and seek and then clutch right here. So and then I'll be going in with the Clutch one, the little glitter right here. This one I will actually like drain it in there. And then after that, I go again with this brush. But this brush y'all I'm using is the Ulta Beauty brush. So, and then what I do after that, I just like blend it all in. Which sounds weird, but at least I can get like, you see? What I'm gonna use, guys, I'm gonna be using my mascara. I don't know where I got it from, but I mean, y'all, I got it from somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Got it from somewhere. I'm not that fancy. I don't do like no wings in my eyes. You know what I'm saying? I'll do no wings or stuff. I just put like mascara and all that. So I got this new
I'm gonna be using the Professional Pro Primer. You guys can see this right here, and it says it helps my makeup stay put. I'm gonna see how this works, y'all, because I don't know how it works. I haven't tried it before, but we'll see how it works and all that. I mean, it's liquidy and all that, but I wouldn't know. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be using the Fit Me Coconut 355, and I'm using, guys, the e.l.f. Limited blending brush. Use this right here. So y'all, yeah, I'm a makeup person. I don't use that much, but I mean, if it's possible, y'all, I will use a lot if I need it, or if it's like a big occasion, like if I'm going to like a wedding or something, I would like boom my face. But if it was just like me everyday look, yeah, I'm not gonna be using no big old makeup looking self, because a girl don't be putting that much on. So I would dab all this in, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to go in with my Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer. And with this, y'all, I don't put a lot of concealer in because I don't have a lot of foundation in, but I put enough that I know will work, you know what I'm saying? But I don't put a lot, guys. I know those girls, when I be watching like different YouTubers, they like drain their face with it. No, guys, I don't do that. I will put like enough of my foundation is enough of my concealer that I will put on my face. You know what I'm getting? You get what I'm saying, y'all? Like, how much foundation I put on my face is how much concealer I'm gonna put on my face. So I'll put some under my chin. Up right here. And then I'll go straight line in the middle. And then after that, put like the rest that I have on the brush, I will put on top of my head. I think I'll put some right here and right here. So yeah. So that's done right there. And the brush I still use my e.l.f. blending brush because it has foundation, so I use the same exact one. And I just like put all that in. I will blend what's all in my face, you know what I'm saying? Cause I don't put that box so you won't see any like. And I don't do a lot, guys. I think I do a lot on my face. I don't do a lot, like. I don't do a lot. Like, I will do enough that I will like, that I know that I can freaking be happy with, because I'm not those YouTubers be boom 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 boom, and I just simple as that. I just simple as that, you know what I'm saying? Simple. So that's it, guys. So that's done with it. And then after that, I'm gonna be using the Aloe Studio Perfect setting powder, and this is the color Banana. I don't remember where I got this from. Don't remember, but I'm gonna use this blending brush, a small one, because it best fits what I'm gonna be doing. And I I just set where I put my concealer at and all that. If I'm in a rush, I will not put any powder in. But if I'm in a like bigger rush, if I'm like not in a rush, I will do it. But other than that, y'all, I don't. And then I do this so I can figure out where I need to put that. So yeah. To go in with my bronzer palette. This is the Pro Artist by Styling and Tissue. Is this right here? Y'all, this color's right here. Guys, I'm a natural person. I'm not like nobody that freaking like do other stuff. I'm gonna be using this brush. It has no name on it, but I'm gonna be going in with this. Yeah, this brand right here. Cause I don't put a lot in, but enough is enough, guys. Whatever I put is whatever I put. And all that good stuff. So, cause I'm just natural, guys. So I don't put all that freaking fancy stuff that other people put it in. No. And then I just get my other brush, y'all, and I will wipe off all the excess stuff out. You know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, y'all, everything I do, I'm gonna use this Bake highlight, but this color, y'all, I will put it all over my face. My face can glow, and I just set it everywhere on my face. Cause it give me that like that fit, like I don't gotta wear highlight, but I'll put it over my nose and all that. Spray my face with the rose water again. Spray that. And then after that, I will go again with the baking thing again. And I will go over my nose with it. And then go do a little highlight, you know what I'm saying? A little. I don't put that enough. I don't put highlight that will freaking glow, you know what I'm saying? But I'm already glowing, you know what I'm saying? So what's enough is enough, you know what I'm saying? My last thing that I would do is put on my, it is the Brown Sugar Luxe lipstick, and it's in the color Cinnamon. Is this right here from Couture. This is the lipstick. It's so cute, guys. Guys, it's so cute. And this right here, guys, this is the color. So I'm gonna put this all over my lips. So y'all, guys, this is the final look right here. I'm really loving this look. I'm low-key a little upset because I did this look and it's so freaking cute. So yeah, guys, so if you really like this video, please give the video a big old thumbs up, and make sure you comment below if you want me to continue to do videos like this for you guys and all that. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.